In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, just open Photos app. Now you need to decide if you wish to delete your pictures from Photos category or albums. If you select Photos, hold the chosen one. And to select all of them, click on this dot at the top right corner. Then delete them by hitting delete at the bottom right one and confirming your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to delete them from albums though, tap on albums at the bottom in the middle, tap on the chosen one, hold one of your photos as well, but this time click on select all at the top right corner. In those two categories, you can always exclude your photos by simply clicking on the ones that you wish to spare. I will go with those three. And to delete the rest, click on delete at the bottom right corner and tap on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!